Every discovery begins with a thought. Some thoughts uncover worlds that already exist, while others create worlds that never were. Human civilization itself is a journey of ideas turning into reality. In 2025, UPSC asked us this topic. Thoughts find a world and creates one also, pushing us to see how imagination, reflection, and vision not only reveals hidden truths but also builds new futures. Let's explore this through 8 dimensions. Number 1, thought as discovery. It uncovers truths already present but unseen. Example, Newton's observation of the apple led to the discovery of gravity, a reality that existed but was unnamed. Number 2, thoughts as creation. Ideas shaped institutions and realities never found in nature. Example, the Indian Constitution was born of collective imagination, creating a democratic order where none existed. Number 3, thoughts fuel technology. Innovation turns mental blueprints into physical change. Example, the idea of artificial intelligence has created an entirely new digital ecosystem influencing daily lives. Number 4, thought drives social change. Movements begin in the mind before they take to the streets. Example, feminism started as an intellectual challenge to the patriarchy before transforming societies worldwide. Number 5, thoughts bridge science and spirituality. It explains natural laws and interpret meaning simultaneously. Example, the Upanishads reflected on cosmic unity, and modern quantum physics echoes in the same interconnectedness. Number 6, thought as art and culture. Creative imagination creates new ways of seeing the world. Example, Picasso's cubism redefined virtual reality, showing how thoughts create cultural revolutions. Number 7, thought as governance vision. Nations are shaped by ideas of leaders. Example, Nehru's vision of scientific temper built institutions like ISRO, IITs that changed India's future. Number 8, thought as destruction. Not all thoughts create progress. Some unleash ruins. Example, Hitler's ideology of racial supremacy created a world war and genocide, proving that thoughts can create dystopias as well. Thought is both a mirror and a hammer. It reflects worlds already there and forges worlds that are not yet born. It can inspire democracies, innovation, justice, or can build tyranny and destruction. The responsibility is clear. Nurture thoughts that discover truth and create progress. Because to think is to create, and what we create defines the world we leave behind. Now, with these thoughts and your own imagination, write this essay and share it with us in our Essay Excellence program. The first 100 essays will be evaluated absolutely free. If you have found this video interesting, share it at least with one UPSC aspirant, because sometimes even one reel can unleash the mind and push it towards success.